vertices. See in a triangle ABC, if A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and centroid alpha comma beta is given, then what to say about the third vertex? See, centroid is given, AB is given, then third vertex C is nothing but what? 3 alpha minus x1 minus y1 comma 3 beta minus x2 minus y2. This is the third vertex. 3 alpha minus x1 minus y1, 3 beta minus x2 minus y2. Whereas fourth vertex of the parallelogram ABC, if three vertices x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 are given, then that fourth vertex is this. Already you know it, we discussed in previous points. x1 plus x3 minus x2 comma y1 plus y3 minus y2. That x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 should be in an order, and we are finding fourth vertex using this idea. Right. All these two things already you know, okay? And now this is somewhat a bit new one. See, we have an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle in the sense two sides are equal and their opposite angles are equal. See, consider these two sides equal and their opposite angles as theta. So now these are known as the base vertices. Okay, in an isosceles triangle, this is base and that is the vertex. If the base vertices are x1, y1 and x2, y2, then what to say about this vertical angle? That vertical angle is determined by this particular formula. x1 plus x2 plus or minus tan theta into y1 minus y2 by 2 is the x coordinate, and y1 plus y2 minus r plus tan theta into x1 minus x2 by 2 is the y coordinate. And at the end, this is what the missing vertex of an isosceles triangle having base angle theta. Now, for suppose if you are thinking about equilateral triangle, for an equilateral triangle, all the sides and all the angles are equal and that angle is 60 degrees. To find the third vertex, if you know 2 as x1, y1, x2, y2, to find the third vertex, just replace theta is equal to 60 in this formula. If you replace theta with 60, what will happen? Tan 60 degrees is root 3. And so, x1 plus x2 plus or minus root 3 into y1 minus y2 by 2. Whereas y1 plus y2 minus or plus root 3 into x1 minus x2 by 2 is the third vertex of an equilateral triangle. And the next thing is isosceles right angle triangle. For the space I am erasing this. For isosceles right angle triangle, see how it will be. Isosceles right angle triangle means one angle is 90 degrees and two sides are equal. Okay. For suppose if this is 90, these two are equal, then here the angles opposite to the equal sides will be 45 and 45. Because these two sides are equal and one angle is 90, they are 45 and 45. So you need to consider theta as 45. So E, isosceles right angle triangle. If you consider that theta is equals to 45 degrees, then again use the same formula, replacing theta with 45, you will get that the missing vertex, the right angle vertex is that x1 plus x2 plus or minus tan theta means tan 45. Tan 45 is 1, so nothing is here to write. Plus or minus y1 minus y2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 minus r plus, again tan 45 is 1, x1 minus x2 by 2. At the end you need to memorize this formula. That's enough. If you memorize this particular formula, you need replace theta depending on the given triangle. If it is equilateral, replace theta with 60. If it is isosceles right angle, replace theta with 45. If it is some other special isosceles triangle, replace theta according to the problem. Okay. And see, after having this third vertex of an isosceles triangle, this idea also helps in finding missing vertex of a square. For suppose if I have a square like this, okay, I have two vertices, these two vertices. If I have these two vertices, one as x1 y1 and the other as x2 y2, and if you wish to try, if you try to mention these two vertices, join these two, and it will form two isosceles right angle triangles, and these two coordinates are determined by this particular formula again. Okay, see, for the third vertex of equilateral as well for the third vertex of isosceles, plus or minus are given, right? See, plus or minus, minus or plus, that in the sense two possibilities are there. Okay, for suppose if these two vertices are known, x1 y1 and x2 y2, this side you will get 1 point. In the same way, when you join this side again you will get another point, right? To make an isosceles triangle, there are two possibilities for the third vertex. Here plus, here minus will give you one vertex. Here minus and here plus will give you another vertex. In the same way, for suppose if this is equilateral, okay, then in the same way you have a chance to make another equilateral in this direction. So you will have two possibilities for the third vertex. Again use plus and minus, it will give you one vertex, and here minus and there plus, that will generate another vertex. At the end, memorize this formula to find the missing vertices of a triangle. That's it. Have a look. So, see bit. Two vertices of equilateral triangle are given as 3, 2 and minus 3, comma 2. Let this vertex as x1, y1 and this as x2, y2. Then we need to find third vertex, and this is the formula for third vertex as we discussed. So, two possibilities will happen as I said. Okay, right. So, plus or minus root, this is the formula. For that, initially what I need? I need x1 plus x2, y1 plus y2, y1 minus y2 as well x1 minus x2. First of all, collect all those values. What is x1 plus x2? x1 plus x2, 3 minus 3 is 0. And what is x1 minus x2? 3 minus of minus 3, that is 6. And then collect y1 plus y2. y1 plus y2 is 2 plus 2, which is 4. And then collect y1 minus y2, that is equals to 0. So I have x1 plus x2, x1 minus x2, y1 plus y2, y1 minus y2. So now this is equals to, just look here, x1 plus x2, which is 0 plus or minus root 3 into y1 minus y2 is again 0 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2, which is 4 plus or minus root 3 into x1 minus x2 is 6 divided by 2. And on simplification, this is clearly 0. Okay, 0 plus 0, 0 minus 0 by 2 is 0. Comma, what will happen? 4 plus or minus 6 root 3 divided by 2. Okay, so this is minus or plus, right? Yeah, minus or plus. 4 plus or minus 6 root 3 means divide with the 2. It will become 2 minus or minus root 3. So 0 comma 2 minus 3 root 3 is one choice, as well 0 comma 2 plus root 3 is the other choice. These are the two possibilities for the third vertex of an equilateral triangle. So just have a look related to the opposite vertices of a square. So for example, if we have a square, all sides are equal, all angles are 90, opposite vertices are given, minus 2 comma 14, 0 comma 4. We need to calculate other two opposite vertices. See, when you look at the picture, these opposite vertices BD will form an isosceles right angle triangle with AC. So use the third vertex of isosceles right angle triangle formula. See, once plus or minus and once minus or plus. This is the formula. So for that, first of all, consider these as x1, y1, x2, y2, list out all these things. Now use the formula. x1 plus x2, which is minus 2, plus or minus y1 minus y2 is 10 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2, which is 16, minus or plus x1 minus x2, and that is minus 2 divided by 2. This is what we need to calculate. Once plus and then once plus and minus and plus. So this is equals to minus 2 plus 10 is 8 by 2, 4 comma, here use minus 16 minus of